Zanu PF seizes villagers' IDs in Gutu. The 23rd of August 2025. By a correspondent. Zanu PF officials in Gutu Central have been accused of confiscating villagers' national identity cards in exchange for tsatso stoves, in what observers warn could be a form of voter manipulation. The incident reportedly occurred on Thursday at Jaravaza Shopping Center, where the operation was allegedly led by Trust Bear, constituency assistant to Gutu Central MP Winston Chitando. Villagers said their IDs were only returned after several days, during which party officials visited their homes individually. One villager told this publication, "They told us we could only get the stove if we handed over our ID cards. It felt like we had no choice." Another added, "I was worried about handing my ID to them. They said they would return it, but I didn't feel safe. This is not how people should be treated in their own community." Efforts to reach Bear for comment were unsuccessful. Zanu PF Masvingo provincial spokesperson Pepukai Chiwi was also not immediately available. However, a Zanu PF commissar in Gutu dismissed the allegations, saying, "Where are you getting that from? It's not true. Hun Chitando is busy with constituency projects, continue dreaming." The alleged practice has raised alarm among observers, who argue that confiscating IDs undermines voter autonomy and fuels fears of political intimidation ahead of future elections.